Bravo à vous les jeunes qui gardez vos cheveux naturels. Eh bien, c'est la fin de ce 11h. Merci d'avoir suivi, mais ne décrochez surtout pas parce que dans un court instant, certainement, nous allons nous rendre du côté de Boya pour prendre en direct l'arrivée de la course et les premiers sons et images, n'est-ce pas, de cette 26e édition de la course de l'espoir.
The very first athlete, Joseph Guaramandeng, to come out of this forest. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, slow down. Of course, the population is out here at around, this is around Bonduma, around Bongo Square, ladies and gentlemen.
Serre. À droite. À droite, c'est la droite. Voilà ça, comme ça. Ouais. Boukakili n'est pas comme ça. Il part où Ouais, il part. Ouais. Oh. Gaspard, vous sommes même tout par où Regardez. Non, mais non. Ali Mohamedou. Dossard 071 est le premier athlète qui se pointe sur le parcours urbain. Il a encore 6 km à parcourir. Le voici, l'homme du Nord-Ouest, né le 5 juin 1997. C'est lui qui montre déjà les couleurs. C'est lui qui se pointe ici sur ce parcours urbain. Ali Mohamedou. Ce garçon est en train de surprendre. Il n'a jamais gagné cette épreuve.
Yeah, Joseph Guaramandeng, seeing the energy, the spread, the strength of the young man, it is every reason that nobody can beat him here, because Ali Mohamedou, born on the Ali Mohamedou, ladies and gentlemen, who is from the northern region of Cameroon, born on the field of the 6th month June 1997, is the guy leading. In fact, they were in a tussle with Ali Adamu. They were battling with Henry Kosgei, Churi of Kenya. But then he is the first guy to have come out of the mountain. And of course, the population is giving him a deserved welcome into the town. It is now road-rolling Joseph Guaramandeng.
C'est la grande surprise de cette compétition parce que là, et c'est vrai qu'on va vite en besogne. Nous avons encore 6 km, environ 5 km et demi à parcourir.
Yeah,
mais à cette allure-là, il est premier, il s'est détaché du lot. Il s'est détaché des 274 autres concurrents. Parce qu'il faut dire que sur les 500, chez les professionnels, il y a 275 avec 57 femmes et 232 hommes. Lui, Ali Mohamedou, 24 ans. Il a 24 ans, on va le dire. Hein.
Joseph,
24 ans.
Just to know that Ali Mohamedou, if everything goes well, ladies and gentlemen, at this very years, at this very rate, at this rhythm that is running, Ali Mohamedou stands the risk of beating the record ever in the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope, because the record is held by, Dominic Tejo-Jem, from the West region of Cameroon, who did 4 hours, 20 minutes and a few seconds. But we'll see, he is 4 hours, a few minutes into the thing. So if everything goes on well, ladies and gentlemen, we will not be surprised to see this young man who's been cheered by everybody, ladies and gentlemen, win the race and of course beat the record.
On est à 4h13 de la course. Vous entendez cette clameur? Nous sommes au niveau de la place de fête de Boya. Le public nombreux est venu acclamer le potentiel vainqueur. C'est lui qui occupe la tête de la course maintenant, Ali Mohamedou. Très salué par le public de Boya ce 27 février, ce samedi exceptionnel, ce samedi unique, ce samedi annuel. L'Ascension du Mont Cameroun est en train de choisir un nouveau vainqueur. Peut-être encore Moins de 5 km pour le savoir tout à l'heure au niveau de la ligne d'arrivée au stade de Moliko, ici à Boya. Le vainqueur sera connu, mais pour le moment, il y a un homme. Il y a un homme que vous voyez constamment sur votre petit écran. Dossard 071, lui c'est Ali Mohamedou. C'est lui qui est en passe de devenir le nouveau champion de cette course, le nouveau vainqueur. Devant ceux qui ont eu à marquer en lettres d'or leur nom sur cette épreuve. Pour le moment, c'est Ali Mohamedou qui est à quelques kilomètres de la ligne d'arrivée.
Well, Joseph Guadamandenga, this is Muhammad Ali. We hear that the second is 183. 183 is around the governor's area there. 183, that should be Coach Guy Henry Chiriyut from Kenya. I told you that Chiriyut was really trailing Ali Adamu, and of course this is Ali Mohamedou, and then Chiriyut is far behind. But then, given the distance, given the rhythm, given the energy in the young man here, there is every reason to believe that Ali Mohamedou is heading towards victory. And of course, there will not be any God love Gabsabum victory in this race, ladies and gentlemen, this year. He was the guy whom everybody was looking up to. We're looking equally forward. They were thinking about 5 Evans, but then it is a surprise element called Ali Mohamedou, who's winning the race, who may win the race in the next 3 minutes.
Gideon.
First ever time ever, ladies and gentlemen.
Vous l'avez souligné tout à l'heure, nos sources un peu éparpillées sur le parcours nous indiquent que le deuxième est au niveau des services du gouverneur, dont à environ 1,5 km de Ali Mohamedou, à 1,5 km de Ali Mohamedou. Et c'est un Kenyan.
Yes, of course,
Et il s'appelle Kosgei Henry Chiriyut,
yes.
né le 10 janvier 1983. C'est lui qui va talonner Ali Mohamedou, qui est acclamé fortement par le public de Boya. Et ici présent tout au long de ce parcours, c'est la grande fête. Boya revit la course de l'espoir. Boya est en train de faire sa fête. C'est une course de l'espoir très vécue, mesdames et messieurs.
Joseph,
c'est extraordinaire.
From the euphoria here,
c'est extraordinaire.
There is every reason to believe that Boya needed that race to come back. The years of where they used to watch the race in fear are gone. And Boya is back on the streets. The population, the fans, the excited family members, and of course, just see the energy of the young man. Ali Adamu moving towards glory and waving to the people here. It is indication that he himself believed in this race. And of course, he's going to make history because he's going to win this race for the very first time for himself.
Lorsqu'on regarde son dynamisme et sa fougue, on est en voie de penser qu'il sera le vainqueur de cette épreuve parce qu'il ne manifeste aucun signe de fatigue. C'est un homme très prêt, c'est un homme qui est encore en place, c'est un homme qui est en train d'affronter ce parcours avec beaucoup de bravoure. Il est en train d'affronter ce parcours avec détermination. Cet homme, Dossard 071, Ali Mohamedou. Ali Mohamedou, c'est un nouveau nom qui doit pouvoir s'inscrire maintenant sur le tableau des vainqueurs de l'ascension du Mont Cameroun, ici à Boya. Très accueilli, Ali Mohamedou. Il est du Nord-Ouest.
We allow, ladies and gentlemen, deliberately to follow, to hear the cheer, the excitement of the population here. It is simply outstanding. We are now around Great Support in Boya, and of course, a few kilometers away from the stadium. Everybody is out here. We are now the OIC, the COIC Boya, and of course, the population is out in their numbers. The taxis have stopped moving. Everybody, even those who are winners, Ndunga Simples, Tango Casimo. There's Bendibi Konga Ponga. There is Tata Thomas. There was Golab Gapsupim. There was equally Timothy Lekunze.
Ils sont nombreux, ils sont nombreux.
Ils
sont nombreux.
2 minutes to time.
Voici quelqu'un qui va bientôt inscrire son nom sur le tableau des vainqueurs. Après tous ces noms que vous citez depuis l'année 1973, John Ekema qui remporta la toute première épreuve de cette compétition. Voici le dossard numéro 71, 071, Ali Mohamedou. Ali Mohamedou, sur le parcours urbain, il va remporter cette course, certainement. Regardez son allure. Il n'affiche pas de signe de fatigue, bien au contraire. Il aurait demandé peut-être qu'on rallongeait le parcours parce que tout à l'heure, ce sera un grand sprint à l'entrée du stade de Moliko pour montrer à tout le public et à tout ce monde qui attend au stade de Moliko qu'il a la carrure et surtout qu'il a encore de l'énergie. Cet homme, peut-être, ce sera lui tout à l'heure, le vainqueur de l'ascension du Mont Cameroun édition 2021.
Joseph, except for a major, let's say, setback, it's going to be Ali Mohamedou, jersey number 071, who will have to perpetuate the winning list of this Mount Cameroon Race of Hope. And I want to believe that Father Wata Stifter, who died a few minutes ago, should be turning in his grave in appreciation to see the youngsters perpetrate what they did far back when he won the race 3 times. Of course, wherever it may be, Mike Short, who won the race 2 times, should be himself too, saying that I left a legacy and the young men are taking over. I equally believe that Timothy Lekunze, of blessed memory, should be turning in his grave in appreciation of what the youngsters are continuing to do. It is a wonderful and outstanding performance from Ali Mohamedou. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, nobody expected him to come out of the mountains first, but then he is one of the guys who got to the mountain top first. And again, he has come out of the mountain. He is ahead of the Kenyan Henry Kipchoge, that a Chiri youth. Golab Gapsupim is nowhere to be found. They are still very much far behind. There's equally 5 Henrys who are leading the group at the bottom mountain.
L'essentiel à retenir dans cette épreuve, c'est qu'on ne l'a même pas vu dans les épreuves antérieures pour qu'il nous amène à penser que les épreuves ultérieures, il devait faire sensation et une certaine différence. On ne l'a pas vu venir. Il s'était un non-aime dans cette épreuve. Ali Mohamedou, jamais il a été dans le trio de tête.
Yes.
Et il s'est bien préparé, ce garçon du Nord-Ouest, parce qu'aujourd'hui, il est en train de faire la différence.
Joseph, I learned that he has always been doing relay races, but it's not always easy for him. But today, he decided to go in for the long distance, and of course, there he comes, Ali Mohamedou.
En tout cas, on lui souhaite beaucoup de chance pour qu'il puisse arriver au niveau de l'entrée principale, au niveau du point terminal de cette épreuve qui est l'intérieur du stade de Moliko. Là-bas, il va falloir entrer et faire, on va dire, demi-tour, le demi-arc de la piste d'athlétisme et gagner définitivement cette épreuve. Le plus important dans une compétition. Il est content de saluer ce monde qui est en train de l'accompagner dans ce qu'il va faire dans quelques minutes seulement.
Yes, but Joseph, the staff, the euphoria, the enthusiasm, even again, why not? In fact, I remember he greeted his public. He told them that I'm there. I promise you this, and he has done it.
Et regardez le visage de ce garçon.
Oh my word. Ali Mohamedou.
Il est toujours souriant.
The public is waiting for you. The stadium, Moliko Stadium is waiting for you.
Et il parle à ses voisins.
Yes, he wants water to drink.
À ceux qui assurent sa sécurité. Ça veut dire.
He wants to drink
Ça veut dire qu'il n'est pas exténué, c'est vrai, il peut être fatigué, mais il peut assurer encore.
Of course, I should take the water. Because indeed, It has been strenuous. The stamina. He has to work on the stamina. The legs are already getting weary. The muscles are getting weaker. But then he's continuing. He's a far of the way from Henry Kosgei, whom I hear has accelerated. You know, the Kenyans are good on the road running. But then he's kept his cool. And of course, the public, ladies and gentlemen, here in Buea is cheering on.
Et il s'appelle Ali Mohamedou. Regardez-le. Regardez-le. Il affiche une forme exceptionnelle. Une forme de grand athlète. Il n'était pas annoncé dans les pronostics. Il n'était pas annoncé, mais le voici en train de créer une grande différence. Mesdames et messieurs, regardez ce public qui accueille le potentiel vainqueur. Celui qui sera porté en triomphe tout à l'heure au stade de Moliko.
The camera of
Ali Mohamedou.
The camera of Jean-Baptiste Bacham giving you the images here in Buea and showing you how much the guy Ali Mohamedou has to do. Just a few kilometers before the Omnisport Stadium in Buea, the people around the stadium are out. We are now around Winners Chapel in Buea, ladies and gentlemen. The public is out en masse. The cars have stopped to watch him on, and everybody has a phone to immortalize the moment.
Et effectivement, c'est un moment exceptionnel, unique et annuel. Et ça se passe une seule fois l'an. L'ascension du Mont Cameroun, la course de l'espoir. C'est ici à Buea, l'édition 2021, la 26e. C'est avec Ali Mohamedou qui est en train de créer la différence. Disons, on l'a dit, il n'était pas annoncé. Il n'était pas dans les pronostics de ceux qui aiment faire ce genre d'exercice. Lui, Ali Mohamedou du Nord-Ouest, c'est un garçon du Nord-Ouest.
Yes,
c'est lui qui est en train de créer la différence.
Joseph, we expected to see Dunga Simplis. He abandoned. We expected to see Gollop Gabsaboom. He cannot do it. We expected to see Tangring, who was equally among them. 5 of his former winners, they could not do it. But Ali Mohamedou has beaten the expectations of everybody. Even the media men that we could not foresee him come on. He has come out of the mountains alone and is jogging towards victory, ladies and gentlemen. We are now around the Bilingual Grammar School, Buea, lycée Beleng de Buea, and it's a few meters away from the stadium.
Je vois déjà,
and we can see the stadium.
Je vois déjà le stade. Le stade est à quelques mètres. Ça veut dire que dis-lui qu'on s'arrête à l'esplanade. On n'a pas au stade. On ne va pas virer, on va dépasser un peu. Alors, nous voyons déjà la tribune du stade de Moliko, très loin de l'autre côté, à vol d'oiseau, environ 100 mètres.
Joseph, I want to guess that Evariste Yenga and of course Boring Sama should be getting the euphoria, should be getting the animation from here, getting indications that it's soon going to be the moment for you guys. Because
Gideon Tazor,
this is the alert here.
Gideon Tazor.
Yes, Joseph.
Ali Mohamedou est le vainqueur de l'ascension du Mont Cameroun.
You can say it again.
Édition 2021.
You can say it again. Ali Mohamedou. Ali Mohamedou. See it again, ladies and gentlemen. This is Usain Bolt. This is Usain Bolt's time.
Ali Mohamedou. Ali Mohamedou sera tout à l'heure dans quelques secondes.
The winner, to welcome the winner of this year's Mount Cameroun Race of Hope. He is at the entrance of the Moliko Omnisport Stadium. Here he comes, Ali Mohamedou. Remember, in 2009, he emerged third in the junior category. And in 2020, Ali Mohamedou is coming in to write his name in the annals of the history book for the Mount Cameroun Race of Hope, as he is going to be crowned winner in the senior men category.
Et voici donc celui qui arrive en tête catégorie senior de cette 26e édition. Il est camerounais, Ali Mohamedou. Le voici qui effectue son entrée donc au stade de Moliko, escorté il est en tête. Il a réussi à dévancer le Kenyan qu'il avait semé depuis le premier refuge. Le voici, Ali Mohamedou. Il a juste besoin de faire un demi-cercle avant d'apparaître sur la dernière ligne droite à 11h31. Voici celui qui arrive donc en tête de cette course, Ali Mohamedou. Son nom, c'est une consonance de l'extrême nord du nord ou de la Damawa seulement. C'est un compétiteur de la région du nord-ouest. Il avait d'ailleurs été classé deuxième à l'édition de 2019.
And that is what is going to happen this year. For the very first time, Ali Mohamedou is going to be crowned winner in the senior men category of the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope. He gets slowly but surely moving towards the finish line or the crossing line here at the Molicom Municipal Stadium in the same format like Usain Bolt. Ali Mohamedou wins this year's edition of the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope as he successfully crosses the finish line here in 4 hours 33 minutes, 4 hours 31 minutes here in Boya. For the very first time, this athlete from the northwest region of Cameroon write his name in the golden books of the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope.
Ah oui, c'est la première fois qu'il va faire la plus haute marche du podium. Le premier de cette course de l'espoir, c'est donc Ali Mohamedou qui est donc vainqueur pour la toute première fois. Mais ce n'est pas la première fois qu'il est au podium, puisqu'en 2019, c'était lui le suivant immédiat d'Eric Banta, le vainqueur de 2019, la 24e édition. Il avait terminé à la 2e position, empochant 7 millions de francs CFA. Aujourd'hui, c'est 10 millions de francs CFA qu'Ali Mohamedou va remporter, puisque c'est lui le vainqueur de l'épreuve édition 2021.
As we anxiously wait for the second athlete in the senior men's category, and we hear it's going to be Kenyan athlete Henry Kosgei, who will be the second this afternoon. If everything goes on well, the tussle between these two athletes was between Herd 1 and Upper Farms today. It wasn't an easy tussle, given that it was a Mickey Mouse game when Henry Kosgei led for a while before seeing Ali Mohamedou out sprinting him and securing the leadership position, heading towards Moliko. He has successfully won this edition of the race. In 2019, Ali Mohamedou was the second, with covering the distance from Moliko to the summit of Mount Cameroon in 4 hours, 44 minutes, 34 seconds. Ali Mohamedou bounces back 2 years after to mount the podium as far as the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope is concerned, after being crowned second in 2019. Here he comes in 2021, this time as a winner of the race, covering the distance in 4 hours, 31 minutes. We are going to wait for the official results from the technical committee of the organizing committee here in Boya. An improvement of more than 10 seconds in his performance, given that in 2019, Ali Mohamedou was second, covering the distance in 4 hours, 44 minutes, 34 seconds. This year, he has done much more better, with an improvement of 10 seconds as compared to what was the case in 2019.
Et selon toute vraisemblance, Ali Mohamedou sera suivi d'Henry Kosgei, le Kenyan, qui jusqu'au niveau du premier refuge était en tête, mais il s'est passé des choses avant la sortie de cette forêt. Henry Kosgei a été signalé vers les services du gouverneur il y a un peu plus de 5 minutes, donc sans doute il est à la descente. Vous allez le retrouver en ce moment, mais précisons-le aussi, il y a du mouvement au niveau de la montagne. La première dame dont l'identité sera révélée dans ce très court instant, vient de traverser l'endroit appelé Savannah House en train de descendre, c'est-à-dire qu'elle est en train de s'avancer vers le premier refuge.
In a couple of minutes, we'll be receiving Ali Mohamedou here in our makeshift studio at the Molicom Municipal Stadium to give us his impressions after winning for the very first time the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope, as we anxiously wait to know who will be the second male athlete. Will it be Henry Kosgei, the Kenyan athlete, who has been seen as a serious opponent or challenger to these outstanding Cameroonian athletes? We are yet to have updates as concerns the whereabouts of last year's winner, Godlove Gabsibrim. It wasn't quite easy for him during his preparatory phase as far as this year's edition of For the Mountain Race is concerned. But Godlove spent a lot of time training his younger brothers and sisters, training his younger ones. He came to Boya with about 22 of them who are taking part, who are taking part in the 26th edition of the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope. And equally, we got news updates from our colleagues Gideon Tazo and Joseph Guatamandeng. That's the first lady to have reached the summit of the mountain today. It's Setata Karin, winner of the last 3 previous editions of the Mountain Race of Hope in the women's category, 2018, 2019, and 2020. And will this 31-year-old talented athlete from the Northwest region of Cameroon be able to live up to expectation? Will she be able to reiterate her exploits and once more be crowned champion in the senior women's category in this year's edition of the Mount Cameroon Race of Hope? That will be known in about an hour's time, because the time difference between the arrival of the first male athletes and the first women is about an hour. So we are 36 minutes after 11 a.m. this Saturday. The first male athlete has arrived to the Molicom Sports Stadium. Ali Muhammadu, who has covered the distance in 4 hours 31 minutes. 4 hours 31 minutes. We wait for the second male athlete, who in a couple of minutes is going to arrive here at the Molicom Sports Stadium. The anxiety can easily be read on the faces of the different lovers of athletics, the sporting public here in Boya in the Southwest region. Ali Muhammadu in a couple of minutes will be here with us in our makeshift studio. Evariste Yenga has gone to look for him as the different dance groups here continue dancing while waiting for the arrival of the second male athlete. Just to remind our viewers that last year, 2020, Godlove Gabsibwim from the Northwest region of Cameroon won the race in 4 hours, 35 minutes, 10 seconds. He was followed by Simplice Ndunga, athlete from the Southwest region, who emerged second in 4 hours, 37 minutes, 56 seconds. And the third last year was Elvis Nsambila from the Northwest region in 4 hours, 42 minutes, 10 seconds. In the women's category last year, 2020, the first athlete was Tata Karin, athlete from the Northwest region of Cameroon, who covered the distance in 5 hours, 20 minutes, 14 seconds. Kitan Midred, athlete from the Northwest region of Cameroon, was the second female athlete in 5 hours, 30 minutes. And the third athlete in the women's category was Wingo Pufongla, still from the Northwest region of Cameroon, who covered the distance from Moliko to the summit of the mountain in 5 hours, 51 minutes, 7 seconds. History has had it that the winner of last year has not been confirmed this year, Godlove Gabsibwim. Will it be the same case, or will it be the same scenario as far as the women's category is concerned? We wait, we anxiously wait, and we will continue waiting as we try to get in touch with our colleagues who are around Upper Farms for any latest updates from Upper Farms. Back to the Moliko Omnisport Stadium. As from a pre-monitor, we can equally have images of from upper farms. As the public here at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium, they have their ears, their radio sets, their eyes here at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium, eagerly waiting, eagerly anxious to know the outcome after the arrival of the first male athletes here at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium. Just to remind those who are just tuning in that the winner of the 2021 Mount Cameroon Ways of Hope in the senior men's category is called Ali Muhammadu, athlete from the northwest region of Cameroon. Ali Muhammadu, who was second in 2019, 2 years after he bounces back for the very first time to be crowned as winner of the race Yawin Boya. As in 2019, Ali Muhammadu, just to remind our viewers that he was second, covering the distance in 4 hours, 44 minutes, 34 seconds. There has been an improvement in his performance this time around 2 years after, as he has covered this distance this year from Moliko to the summit of the mountain in 4 hours, 31 minutes. Quite good for him, quite good for his morals. An encouragement to Ali Muhammadu, who certainly will be telling us more about his success story here in our makeshift studio at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium. Where exactly we have information that the second male athlete is getting into the Moliko Omnisport Stadium, and from every indication, he's going to be the guy who won the race last year in the senior men's category. It is Godlove Gabsibwim. Godlove Gabsibwim, who remains the guy who has won the Mount Cameroon Ways of Hope 5 times. And unfortunately for Godlove Gabsibwim, he hasn't succeeded to keep the trophy that he won last year here at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium. Godlove Gabsibwim, a son of Noa subdivision in Donga-Mantung division of the northwest region of Cameroon. I can imagine the pride of the population of Noa. The population of Noa in Donga-Mantung in the northwest region of Cameroon. Here is your son, Godlove Gabsibwim, slowly but surely moving towards crossing the finishing line at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium. Godlove Gabsibwim won the race in 2012, 2013, 2015, 2018, and 2020. In 2021, unfortunately for Godlove Gabsibwim, he is second coming some 13 minutes after the arrival of the first male athlete here at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium, Ali Muhammadu. Godlove Gabsibwim succeeded to outsmart or to outsprint the Kenyan athlete Henry Kosgei, who was announced to be the guy to be the second this afternoon. Unfortunately for Henry Kosgei, Godlove Gabsibwim was very, very smart. Godlove Gabsibwim made use of his ingenuity, made use of his experience in climbing the mountain. Here comes the third male athlete with jersey number 139, coming after Godlove Gabsibwim. The first 3 male athletes are known already. We just had the first foreign athlete who is arriving here at the Moliko Omnisport Stadium. The first foreign athlete, Henry Kosgei from Kenya, was announced to be who was announced to be the second this afternoon. Unfortunately for him, Godlove Galsibun was very, very smart.
Balin.
Yes, Evariste. You have the winner for this year's race, Ali Mohamedou, with you.
Ah oui, tout à fait. Ali Mohamedou, le vainqueur de cette 26e édition de la course de l'Espoir, avec nous ici. D'abord, comment vous vous sentez après avoir réussi à décrocher enfin ce titre?
J'ai commencé à tout dire que merci au Dieu, parce que c'est Dieu qui m'a donné, ce n'est pas quelqu'un qui m'a donné. C'est ça que je dis maintenant.
Racontez-nous un peu votre course. On nous a dit à un certain moment que le Kenyan Kosgei Henry était devant vous jusqu'au premier refuge, mais à la sortie, comment vous vous retrouvez devant?
Ouais, quand j'ai commencé, j'ai dit que même il y a le Camerounais qui a tapé moi sans problème, mais notre pays là, parce que quand nous partons dehors, on tape nous. Dans notre pays, c'est rien. Ce n'est pas tant quand on a couru ici, on tape nous, quand on partit dehors, on tape nous sommes. Maintenant, elle dit que quand tu as couru au Cameroun, la première fois, gagner au notre pays. D'abord, quand tu sors dehors, tu commences pour gagner. Parce que c'est difficulté. Tu connais que le Kenya, là, l'attitude là-bas, c'est trop. C'est ça que tu vois que beaucoup d'athlètes partis faire la formation là-bas. On a dit que quand tu fais la formation là-bas, viens ici au Cameroun. Au monde là, non.
Voilà, donc il y a eu votre formation là-bas où vous avez été. Racontez-nous un peu la course. Au moment où vous étiez en train de monter, comment ça s'est passé? Au moment où vous étiez en train de descendre?
Tu vois que en 2019, je suis deuxième. En 2020, je voulais que je gagne ça. Mais quand ils viennent à partir de 3 jours, il y a le problème dans mon pied. Quand j'ai commencé à entrer le forêt là, ça ne donne rien. J'ai entré le numéro 5. Maintenant que quand on vient, on commence, j'ai dit que c'est le Dieu. Quand tu cours avec ça, tu es bon. Quand j'ai commencé avec le Dieu, je connais que non, ça ne donne pas quand j'ai commencé pour entrer le forêt. Mais quand j'ai fini le forêt là, entrer le mont là maintenant, je vois que non, c'est fini, c'est terminé. Parce que le Kenya là, il ne connaît pas pour monter vite, plus que moi. Quand j'ai fait mon entraînement avec Mr. Augustin, j'ai dit que c'est moi seul avec mon montre. Parce que c'est moi seul garçon. L'autre là, c'est la femme. C'est Ngwaya Yvonne Toumé Magrina, Ngwaya Marikal, Kitan Midred, avec l'autre Zoom. Quand tu as commencé pour faire la formation, je ne cours pas avec elle, parce que je suis un garçon. Je cours avec mon montre. Quand je cours avec mon montre, je vois que Eric Kipchoge au Kenya, il court 42 km à 1h59. Mais avec la moderne technologie, j'ai dit que pourquoi moi, je ne cours pas comme ça. Quand je commence, quand on fait longue distance, quand on vient en formation dans le terrain, je voulais que je fasse 1 km à 3 minutes.
Now in English, tell us how was the course and how do you feel?
Well, you know, when I came here, I win the mountain before I came here. That is what I always say. Because you put yourself a confidence before you win. So when I put myself a confidence, when I put God first, I put myself second. And I am not scared of any athlete when I'm running. Because I know that what I am capable of doing, there is nobody that can do it. It is my talent. And it is what Mr. Ngala Augustin is doing to me, it is unpayable. Because he is my coach, he is my manager, and he is my mentor, and he is my director.
One question
for the Authentic Athletic Club Kumbu is the best club in Cameroon.
One question for the athlete Evariste.
I am the youngest champion, and I am the first indigenous person in Cameroon to become the champion of Mount Cameroon Race of Hope. And what I want to say, anybody who wants to join athletics should know that it is very, very difficult at the beginning. Because when I started in 2015, 2016, when I came here, I was 17 years. But do you know my dream? To win 10 million. I have never participated in the junior category. I went to the full mountain. When coming back, I went back to the village. I have a problem on my knees. In 2017, I did not participate in the mountain. In 2018, I have the injury, but with the talents and the hope that I have for athletics, I forced myself to go in when I took the worst number in my athletic career, where I took number 35. In 2019, I finished second, while Mbacha beat me at the TAR. And today, I am the champion. So anything is possible when you make it possible. I say hi to my father, to my mom, to everybody in the Bansoland and the diaspora, to all Mbororo people. Today, the indigenous people have done it, and I want to encourage all the indigenous that train hard. You will be the champion. We look like
Thank you very much. Thank you very much to Ali Mohamedou.
Thank you very much, Ali Mohamedou. Congratulations. Baldwin Sama, vous avez donc entendu le vainqueur de cette édition. Il est Mbororo.